I am going to fix the worst part about being over 50. Do you wake up feeling stiff, bloated, and just, well, old? Your mornings are full of aches, you have zero energy, and your brain is completely foggy. It's crazy. You go to bed hoping to feel better and wake up feeling like you just got hit by a bus. The second you hit 50, your body literally declares war on you. Your metabolism slows to a crawl. Your digestion is a disaster, and there's a secret fire inside you called inflammation that is always burning. This hidden fire is why you wake up with stiff joints, achy muscles, and are tired all the time. This is a huge warning sign that your body is losing. Your body is supposed to be a superhero at night, cleaning out all the junk, but after 50, the system gets lazy and just stops working. So what happens? You wake up bloated, stiff, and exhausted because your body never actually reset. We are ending this cycle today. But this is where we completely change the game. The craziest hack to stop this is hiding in your kitchen right now. I am talking about cloves. These tiny things have been used for thousands of years for their unbelievable superpowers. The magic comes from this insane compound called eugenol. This stuff is a natural antioxidant with crazy anti-inflammatory powers. When you eat 2 cloves before bed, you're basically sending in a special forces team to help your body at the most critical time. I'm going to show you the 4 insane things that happen next. Benefit number 1, obliterate inflammation and stiffness. First, we are going to destroy the stiffness you feel every morning, waking up feeling like the Tin Man is the worst. This is caused by that secret fire we talked about, and this is where cloves are insane. The main ingredient, eugenol, has been shown in studies to literally smash inflammation. Imagine a wildfire in your joints. Eugenol is the fire extinguisher. Research shows it can shut down the bad guys that cause the fire in the first place. By taking cloves before bed, this stuff works all night long, putting out that fire while you sleep. The goal is to wake up and just move, with zero pain and zero stiffness. We're not just hiding the pain. We are destroying the problem so you can start your day with total freedom. Alright, so next we are going to supercharge your liver's cleaning power. While you're sleeping, your liver is supposed to be cleaning all of the junk out of your body. But, as we get older, it gets completely overwhelmed. And honestly, this is what causes brain fog and makes you feel dead tired. This is where your 2 nightly cloves come in to save the day. The eugenol in cloves has shown mind-blowing benefits for your liver in some studies. Animal studies even suggest it can protect the liver from being completely wrecked. By eating 2 cloves before bed, you're giving your liver an antioxidant shield to do its job perfectly. This means you could wake up with a crystal clear mind and, seriously, insane energy. We're not just cleaning your liver, we are resetting your entire body. If you want to feel 20 years younger, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It seriously helps us get this information to more people. And if you're new here, subscribe right now, because you are not going to believe what we do in the next video. Benefit number 3, we demolish morning bloat. Waking up with a stomach that feels like a giant balloon is the absolute worst. As you get older, your digestion slows way down. Food just sits there, causing gas and that horrible bloated feeling. For centuries, cloves have been the secret weapon for this, and science is finally catching up. Cloves can literally fire up your digestive enzymes, which you need to break down food. This means your body processes dinner faster, which can slash indigestion and gas. On top of that, some early research shows cloves might even protect your stomach lining. Chewing 2 cloves before bed could be the difference between waking up feeling gross and waking up with a flat, happy stomach. Benefit number 4, maximize sleep quality and boost nighttime immunity. And the 4th, we are going to help you sleep better and boost your immune system. Bad sleep is a disaster. If you don't sleep, your body can't fix itself. Cloves can help in 2 ways. First, they can literally help you chill out. A warm drink like clove tea tells your body it's time to shut down, which can lead to deeper sleep. Second, your immune system goes into beast mode while you sleep. Cloves have properties that can help your body fight off nasty bacteria. Some studies in mice even suggest clove extract can crank up the production of your white blood cells, your immune system's personal army. Taking cloves at night gives your body these weapons when it needs them most. How to use cloves safely and for max effect. So, are you ready to accept this challenge? It is ridiculously simple. Option 1. Grab 2 whole cloves and chew them about 30 minutes before bed. Chewing is what unleashes all the power. But I'm warning you, the taste is a spice bomb in your mouth. If that's too crazy for you, here's option 2. Make clove tea. Just drop 2 to 4 cloves in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and then drink it. It's way easier and you still get all the benefits. But stop. Listen to me. This is the most important part of the video. Cloves are powerful. For most people, 2 cloves is the perfect amount. If you take huge amounts, especially concentrated clove oil, you can cause serious problems. And because cloves can slow blood clotting, you have to talk to your doctor before you try this, especially if you take blood thinners or have any health conditions. I am being 100% serious. Waking up after 50 feeling like a superhero isn't a fantasy. It is 100% possible. It all starts with challenges like this. By using the insane power of cloves, you can calm your joints. By giving your liver a supercharge, you could wake up with more energy. By fixing your digestion, you can say goodbye to morning bloat. This isn't a magic pill. This is you using a simple spice to work with your body to take back control. Thanks for watching. If you loved this video, subscribe and share it with someone who needs to see this. As always, I'm not a doctor. This is just for fun. Talk to your healthcare provider. Here's to your health and to waking up feeling absolutely amazing.